AutoSum in Excel. The definition for this is, it is an Excel function which when used inserts a formula in the selected cell. That means that AutoSum, it is a Excel function. It inserts a formula, that is for what we want, for addition, for average, for what purpose we want this, it is been inserted. എന്തിനു വേണ്ടിയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഈ ഒരു ഓട്ടോസം ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്, അതിൻ്റെ ഫോർമുല നമുക്കതിലൂടെ ഇൻസേർട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ സാധിക്കും. ഇതാണ് ഓട്ടോസമ്മിൽ നിന്ന് എക്സലിൻ്റെ ഡെഫിനിഷൻ. അടുത്ത സ്ലൈഡിൽ ഓട്ടോസമ്മിനെ കുറിച്ച് വീണ്ടും പറയുന്നു. ഇറ്റ് ഹെൽപ്സ് ടു സം ദ ഫോർമുല, സം ദ നമ്പേഴ്സിനെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ടത് സഹായിക്കുന്നു. കോളമിലുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സ്, ഇറ്റ് ആഡ്സ് ദ നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഇൻ ദി അബവ് കോളം. It fixes the range of cells by looking at the data about the selected cell. By looking about the data, we can add it by using this AutoSum. Once more I will say, that is a function. It helps to add, to sum the numbers. It adds the numbers in the column, and also it in Excel AutoSum, it fixes the range of cells. These are the three functions that we can say about the AutoSum. Steps to AutoSum Excel. First one is, select the cell next to the number that you wish to add. Second one is, place the cursor below the column or to left of the row or numbers that you wish to sum. Third one, press Alt equal to, hold the Alt while pressing equal to sign. Press Enter, shortcut to sum the column in Excel. So these are the steps that we have to remember. First one, select the cell. Second one, place the cursor above or to the left side. Third one, press Alt equal to, press it equal to when we press the equal to sign, press the Alt also, press Enter. These are the steps that have been included in this. In this slide I have inserted a figure of this. Here we can see the sigma, the AutoSum, and how they are pressing the which one they have to add. The column, the cost they have to add, and it has been added in the left side of it. It has been added by pressing the Alt. We can see in this figure. In this shortcut to sum a column, that is to AutoSum, make a selection, and in the home tab go to AutoSum and drop down, then select sum, press Enter. These are the steps it is being required in the to add. So first one, make a selection of the cell, go to AutoSum, select sum and press Enter. In this slide we can I have inserted a figure. Here we can see the AutoSum, and it includes sum, average, count number, max, min. More functions are also there in this, we can see in this slide. In this slide we can see how to put AutoSum on a PowerPoint. Double click on the Excel worksheet in PowerPoint. We have to double click on it, Excel worksheet, then the AutoSum button will be then appear on the standard toolbar, and the process that we have already said can be continued. So these are the things that we have to remember when we are using the AutoSum toolbar in the Excel sheet. With that, thank you for listening.